Hi everyone! Today it's raining. I love watching the rain. Do you? It's really coming down out there. We don't usually say the rain is falling down, even though it is. We say it's coming down. It's raining cats and dogs. Have you been taught that expression? It's a bit of an old-fashioned expression, so people don't usually use it anymore. Anyway, I'm stuck at home and I'm a bit bored. I don't want to go out in this. If it was just spitting, I would go out. Do you know that word, spitting? I don't mean that kind of spitting. When it is just a very light rain, just a few drops here and there, that's spitting. Or if it was just a bit misty, you know, when the rain is so light you can't even feel it. It's just enough to make your hair go frizzy, but not enough to make you really wet. Yeah, I don't mind going out if it's just a bit misty or spitting. Early this morning, there was a downpour. A downpour is when the rain is super heavy. It's just hammering down. Oh, we can also say that, hammering down. Like someone has a hammer and is just hammering on your roof. You know that kind of rain? Really loud and heavy? So this morning, that's what it was doing, hammering down. I'm glad I didn't go out walking this morning because I would have got caught in the rain. Have you ever been caught in the rain? That's when you don't expect it to rain and you are not prepared for it, then suddenly it starts raining. You haven't got an umbrella or a Macintosh. That's another word for a raincoat. A Macintosh, we usually say Mac. When you get caught in the rain, you usually end up getting soaking wet. So wet all the way through your clothes down to your skin. You can also say soaked to the skin. I think it's probably better to be stuck here at home than out somewhere and caught in the rain. Oh, look! The rain is starting to ease up. We can use the phrasal verbs ease up or let up when we want to say the rain is not as heavy and looks like it will stop soon. It's starting to let up. Now it's just drizzling. Drizzling is a bit heavier than spitting. People often argue about how heavy the rain is. We can't go out. It's raining. No, it's not. It's just drizzling. Then someone else says, oh, rubbish. It's barely even spitting. Whatever it is, it's still going to make my hair go frizzy. I hope I can go out soon. I've had enough of this rain. When you don't want something anymore, you can say, I've had enough of it. I've certainly had enough of all this rain. It's been raining non-stop all morning. I think it has been raining for about 4 hours straight. That means it has been raining constantly for 4 hours. We say 4 hours straight. It hasn't been raining on and off like it often does here in the UK. When it rains on and off, it stops and starts again. And you can usually get a few things done outside in between the showers. But you can't do that when it rains non-stop. Oh, I also use the word showers, like shh. When you wash yourself, you will hear that word used to describe on and off rain in the weather forecast, on TV or on the radio. They might say, there will be showers in the morning, clearing to a fine afternoon. So it will rain on and off, then ease up in the afternoon. I'm starting to get cabin fever. That's an expression we use for when you can't go out and you start to feel a bit like the walls are closing in on you. You feel like you just want to run outside or climb up the walls. Lots of people got cabin fever during the pandemic lockdowns. We can go out a lot more now, which is great. Well, when it's not raining. But this is England. You gotta expect rain. Okay, well, I hope you learned a few new expressions and some vocabulary today. Thanks for watching. Wherever you are, have a good one. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. See you next time. Bye.